Hey, what's up, good people? This is Larry Jones. Welcome back to Stock Up. Hey, do yourself a favor and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Hey, if you've been rolling with me for a while, hit the like button. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock or crypto. And please do not fall for any spam. Let's go right into it. Hey, we're going to talk about Tesla and what's going on with Tesla. So earlier, I made a video today and I was giving my buy prices. All right. I had set some limit orders, some buy orders in for Tesla. And I was showing you guys how I was DCAing down. All right. But I want you to be careful because Tesla is very volatile right now. There's sell-offs going on right now. And I shared with you guys how I was buying down. And I just got a call from a friend of mine who co-wrote a book with Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And we were just talking about Tesla, and it was like, high eights, 900. And I told him Tesla you could get Tesla at 750. And he said, that's a long way off. And here we are, good people. Tesla is 750 right now, 756 at the time of this recording. And it happens just like that. But now, the technicals, Tesla always show you who's boss, right? Tesla rarely goes into, the bears don't get a hold of Tesla. The bulls always have control of Tesla, not the bears. But the bears are fighting a good fight right now with Tesla. So what I'm telling you guys, and the reason I'm making this is, just like I said on yesterday's video, anything I'm talking about during this entire period, I do not suggest going all in on anything, right? I'm DCAing down. Now, here's one of the things I want you to know about Tesla. Tesla right now, let me grab the right one here. Tesla right now, we're about here, right? But Tesla, if you go back to the 200-day, Tesla could go down to 700. And then after 700, if Tesla breaks under 700 and closes out, then Tesla could fall all the way down to 500, good people. So I just want you to be very, very careful, right? Tesla could fall all the way down to 500, okay? But now, Larry, do you think that's going to happen? Every time people have tried to short Tesla, they've lost horribly. Tesla has been one of the most overshorted stock there is. And people have lost a lot of money trying to short Tesla. We know the geopolitical situation is going on. We know that they just got, fined for pollution, and they paid a $250,000 fine, which is like, lent money for most people. And these are not big movers to me, right? So if you look at the EV industry, all of it has been getting hit hard right now, and Tesla's just taking it really hard right now. One of the things I want you guys to do is I want you to look at TipRanks. Now, what I want to tell you with TipRanks is because of all the geopolitical situation and the threat of higher interest rates and inflation, when you go down to TipRanks, you'll see here this gentleman from Morgan Stanley actually just 6 days ago. If you see, these are not 6 months and 3 months. This is 10 days, 10 days, 10 days. The average that analysts have for Tesla over the next 12 months is 1154. Let's just say 1155. All right. So, that's still a 51% upside to where it is now. So now, Larry, why are you coming back and bringing this up? Because I want you guys to be patient in DCA. Let it come to you. Like I was patient. I wasn't buying Tesla, as you guys know. I was waiting for it to come down into the 750-ish range. So I bought a few I bought some at a higher rate just in case it didn't come all the way down. I want to be crystal clear. All right. And I don't want someone to hear my video and just go all in. All right. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. All right. It's not the time to go all in. It's the time to DCA, dollar cost average. There was something else I wanted to show you guys. Let me see if I can pull it up. But I want you guys to understand that this is what's going on with Tesla, okay? And we want to be very careful not to pile in and start to build out our positions, okay? So there's going to be a lot of downside, and there's going to be a lot of volatility. It just is. And so we're going to be patient and just roll with it. Now, here's what I want to show you guys, okay? So for those of you that don't have enough to be buying Tesla at 750, it's not like you got a lot of dry powder where you can just start buying and buying and buying. And so I know people say, hey, I'm out all out. But what I did was, you guys saw me make that money. You guys saw me make over $130,000 with Shiba Inu and all of that. Larry, what did you do with that money? This is the money that I'm investing with right now. So my crypto money, my crypto gains, when I took that money and I cashed out because I did proper profit taking, then now I have money to buy these dips, right? And so the same thing with my stock, all of my earnings, all of the profit taking that I did in last December, that gave me the cash and the liquidity to buy these dips and not to go in heavy on these dips, but to DCA, dollar cost average. So if you really want to buy fractional shares, I don't know about other platforms. I do know Fidelity. And what I want to share with you guys, if I can show you this and leaving, if you go to Fidelity, and I'm using the SPY as an example, okay? So this is how you buy a fractional share. So you go and you select buy and you select it in dollars, right? And then you put the amount in. I'm just putting $5 in because this is part of my $5 a day thing. And then I put market order in, all right? And so what that does is it just buys it at the market price. But you could also do this, good people, with a limit order, okay? Remember, you can do this with a limit order while you're at work, right? And so what you can do is when you put your $5 in, right? Instead of hitting that market button, you're going to hit this limit button, okay? And so that's what I want you to do. For those of you that are at work and you can't take advantage of these moves or these plays. And so I just wanted to come on and share this with you to make sure that you guys can participate while you're at work, while all of this geopolitical stuff is happening, why the interest rates are threatening to raise, why the inflation is running rapid. There's a lot of stock out there and crypto that are just beat down and oversold and undervalued. And I want you guys to be able to partake in them. But now, remember, during this season, during this entire year, we have to have an investment mindset right now. We have to have a long-term mindset right now. Now is not the time for chicken hands. And I'm going to leave by saying this. For those of you that have bought Tesla, not just Tesla, any stock, I want you to go back and look at some of the orders that you did in 2021. All right. I'm sorry, in 21 and 2020. And I want you to look at the prices that you bought some of these stock that were when you were chasing the bull. And then I want you to look at some of the prices that they are now and ask yourself, if I was buying Tesla at $1,200, why wouldn't I think to buy Tesla under $750? And I don't want you to go all in. I just want you to cut your money up. And remember, you could buy $5 worth of Tesla, right? And so that's what I want you to look at in this environment. All right, good people. Hey, I just wanted to come in real quick and leave you with that information. and talk about why Tesla is falling. It's a lot of fear. It could be an overreaction. Okay, if this geopolitical thing kind of pulls back or cool off, then you can see Tesla run back up. Pull a chart up. When in doubt, zoom out. You'll see that stuff like this happens so many times with Tesla. It's nothing for Tesla to have a $200 move in a day, even $300 move in a day. Nothing for Tesla, okay? But now's the time when it comes down into this territory to be thinking about building out some long-term positions. So when in 2025, if Tesla's, $3,000 or $2,500, you'll be glad that you bought them at these prices and held. Now, just because you buy them doesn't mean that's the absolute bottom. They could run even redder or even go lower. One or two things: have some more powder to buy at a lower rate, or just wait. Don't look at it. Cut it off. Don't look at it. If the analysts say that it's going to be at the price that they're predicting, okay, if it hits these prices that these Wall Street analysts are saying, if it goes to 1155, then you'll be glad that you bought it at 750. Okay, so just think about that, good people. Hey, make sure you check out all the links below and check out the tip ranks link below this time. I want you guys to download tip ranks, select a package that's good for you. Make sure you check out the Webull and the Coinbase link. But on this one, download tip ranks, select a package that's good for you. They also have a free one in there, and see what some of the Wall Street analysts, what their price predictions are for the next 12 months. All right, good people. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.